Wow! I'm playing Super Mario Brothers once again. Oh my. Attention, all viewers. SLB4 is no longer available due to the power outage. Due to the power outage, SLB4 will be no longer available and was shut down today. Thanks for watching. Yeah, guys, it's Bruno 64 story. No. Yeah, guys, it's Bruno 64 story. No. Presented by August Channels and Bruno me. Men's Games, Bruno 64 story. 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 Bruno 64 story was provided by a private corporation. For this was sponsored by PBS. When you're not sure allowed to get your locals. Yeah! Only get your locals by no distribution having. Yeah! America private Empire Today. And by Baby Gap. No. Well, anyone who has not sure if you can. Baby Gap. You can buy baby t-shirts. Available at New York at Brooklyn. The Bruno 64 story caters was provided by Voices. No. To the Corporation for the Public Broadcasting Service. No. A private corporation, public, made by people. No. And by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. No. Thank you. Now let's start the show.